That's my college.
I forgot my ID freaking card. There was no AC in the hall. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashka. If you already know me, मुझे पता भी नहीं मैं इंट्रो भी क्यों करूँ because मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं है. But yes, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashka. If you already know me, then welcome back. If you're new, then welcome to the channel. I am running like super late. This should be a part of my intro now. But I genuinely am running so late. Today is our farewell. 3 साल के कॉलेज में मैं मिला के पूरा 1 साल भी कॉलेज नहीं गई हूँ. बट आज हमारा फेयरवेल है. So I'm getting ready. And technically the farewell is like starting from 4:30 but 5. 4 से mass है and 5 से like the farewell thing will start. But the thing is that I am meeting my friend at 3:30. भाई मैं तो बाद में करूँगी, इतना टाइम ही नहीं है मेरे पास करने को. तो I'm gonna get ready जल्दी से. You can see the girl is literally sharp just right now. You can watch me get ready. Also, I don't know ये vlog कब तक आएगा, but like का इवेंट वाला छोटा सा vlog जो है जिसको मैंने अभी तक एडिट नहीं करा है, फिर स्पीति वाला vlog है, उसके बाद ये वाला vlog आएगा. तो I have no idea ये vlog कब तक आएगा. शायद तब तक मैं पता नहीं क्या कर रही होंगी लाइफ में जब ये फेयरवेल वाला vlog आएगा. But if you skip the नायका वाला vlog, no worries. It was just like ज़्यादा बड़ा vlog नहीं होगा मुझे नहीं लगता. But स्पीति वाला vlog वो आ चुका होगा और उसको देखना because that vlog is a bit vlog. Like बहुत अच्छा vlog है वो. It's full of surprise things. Like मैं जिन लोगों से मिलती हूँ, हम लोग जो मस्ती करते हैं स्पीति में, you guys need to watch it. तो वो देख के आओ पहले, जाओ जाओ, बाद में वाला देखना. तब मैं बकबक बंद करती हूँ और तैयार होना शुरू होती हूँ. This is the dress that I'm wearing and I really hope कि मेरे कॉलेज में ना बहुत सारे वो रूल्स हैं कि मैं शॉर्ट नहीं पहन सकती, अबव नहीं, और स्लीवलेस नहीं होना चाहिए, और कट्स नहीं होने चाहिए, और बहुत सब कुछ था. बेसिकली आप ऐसा था कि आप कुछ पहन ही नहीं सकते हो. लाइक एक तो आया कि बॉडीकॉन भी नहीं पहन सकते. लाइक सर व्हाट डू यू वांट मी टू वेयर देन. बट देन हमने बात करी. हमने क्या मतलब मैंने कोई बात जिसने भी बात करी. देन नाउ आई थिंक आई होप दिस दिल अलाउ, और फेयरवेल व्लॉग नहीं, ये स्ट्रीट व्लॉग हो जाएगा. मैं बाहर बैठी रहूँगी फिर. बट नो, ऑन अ सीरियस नोट आई जेन्युइनली होप दैट दे अलाउ दिस, और एल्स लग जाएगी अपनी वाट वहीं पे. द ड्रेस वॉज सपोज टू बी लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस शोल्डर वॉज लाइक दिस, बट ये अलाउ नहीं. आई कैंट वेयर इट लाइक दिस इन माई कॉलेज. स्लीवलेस नहीं है ना, यू कैंट कॉल दिस स्लीवलेस. इतना स्लीव्स का तो टॉप भी होता ही है, राइट? आई डोंट नो, आई एम होपिंग. तो जाके ही पता चलेगा. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट कर रही हूँ. काश मैं वैसी लड़की होती जो एकदम धीरे धीरे आराम से करती है. बट आई गेस इस जन्म में तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा वो. आई एम गोना डू माई मेकअप. सो देयर इज अ ट्रांजिशन कमिंग इन 3, 2, 1.
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो.
1 second. A moment for this bow that I made. मैं एकदम लेट हो चुकी हूँ. नेल्स मैं मेरे कैब में करूँगी, बट दिस इज हाउ आई एम लुकिंग. 360. हाँ मैं लुकिंग नाइस, आई नो. थैंक यू. 5 बजे पहुँचना था, अब 5 यहीं बज चुके हैं. बट आई एम लुकिंग प्रिटी. दैट्स ऑल मैटर्स, राइट? गाइस वी लिटरली डिड माय नेल्स इन द कार बिकॉज हम लेट हो चुके थे. से हाय. बहुत ज़्यादा. हाँ दिख रहे हो? मुझे नहीं दिख रहे हो भाई. खुद को मुझे दिख रहा है थोड़ा. आप ही मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? मुझसे क्यों पूछा जा रहा है? ऊपर से नहीं जाना था, वेस्ट में जाना है. ऊपर से जाना था ना. टेल मी, आपने वेस्ट लगा मुझे. हाँ इधर से तो ईस्ट आ जाएगा ना, नीचे से तो नहीं. आप प्लीज आप हमको फालतू का घुमाओ मत. हम ऑलरेडी लेट हैं. एक सीलिंग वहाँ पे, तो मतलब आई थिंक हम बराबर ही जा रहे हैं. वहाँ से रास्ता है ना. नहीं सीलिंग से क्यों जाएंगे अपन. वी हैड टू टेक दैट ब्रिज. आई टोल्ड यू. या इट्स लीला भैया, ईस्ट में है. हमें वेस्ट में जाना था. हम ईस्ट में क्यों आए? हमको पीके से नहीं जाना. नरीमन पॉइंट भी नहीं जाना. नथिंग, बस हमारे 10 मिनट और एक्स्ट्रा लगेंगे. इन माई डिफेंस दिस इज द अर्लीस्ट आई बीन एवर. मतलब आई एम क्वाइट प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ. अगर वैसे देखा जाए तो मैं सच में आई ऑनेस्टली एम. ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज माई बेस्ट रिकॉर्ड अभी तक का. मैं इतनी जल्दी तो कहीं, इमेजिन गाइज 5 बजे का इवेंट है, 5:30 में वो पहुंच रही हूँ. Nobody knows better than you all that this is my best record. भाई जहाँ पर प्ले 7 बजे चालू होता है ना, आई एम रीचिंग देयर एट 8:30. तो टेल मी इफ दिस इज नॉट माय बेस्ट रिकॉर्ड.
Yeah, it is sure. That I've seen everything. I have so much in my brain that I mix up memes as well.
That's my college.
Did you two wear lens?
No, that's my contact lens. So girlie just forgot her ID card. I have no words for myself at this point. I forgot my ID freaking card. अगर नहीं अलाउ करें अंदर तो I'll just go home. और क्या? गाना सुना भी है.
Inside the campus in the basketball court.
Guys, come on. Are we going for after party?
We're going to yacht after party.
Yes.
Always like how she puts like one hand on the gear.
But that's how you actually drive.
I don't know how to drive.
Elaine.
Hi, baby doll.
ब्रेक लगेगा आशका में भी ऐड है पूरा
We were going home, फिर हमें अनुष्का ने एक साथ गाड़ी में बिठा लिया. आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा. Where are you taking us, Anushka? But वहाँ से कहाँ?
वहाँ से दुबई. Let's go.
Guys, we are going to get ice cream now.
We love ice cream.
Yes, we'll have ice cream. Which one will you have?
I don't want ice cream.
Boring people. I want ice cream. We are not friends anymore, Risa. Which ice cream will you have? Coconut. Coconut. Yeah, natural coconut is nice. It should be. It should be. It's very tasty. Genuinely think this is a better souvenir than the one they gave. So I'm gonna keep this. Elaine, which one did you take?
Strawberry baby doll always.
ये वाला.
Thank you.
Ashka the goat, bruh.
Ashka, we love you. We love you. We love your sisters, everything.
Thanks for coming with us, bruh. You saw the like very wrong side of us.
No, but like it's my pleasure to come.
Did it hurt?
A bit like, just like, you know, how the pinches like, you know.
We should get a tattoo, guys.
You
We should
can.
have tramp stamp.
Which one you are having?
Coffee wallet.
Coffee walnut you said. I heard chocolate walnut.
He asked
Taken.
Patrick was
So you all are sitting there. I wanted to do this in college, like, you know, ask everybody of you to say something like one liner or something.
okay. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's start from you.
College was mad, but I made really good friends along the way. So
Yeah, that's a yeah. Zach, a one liner
college.
for college. And yeah, that's not a one liner.
I hate St. Andrew's College.
This is not going. This is I'm vlogging. Say something nice.
Oh, okay.
Young people are going to watch this
I
and get
went to St. Andrew's College for 5 years and every year was very bad. Except F1. That's a good one liner.
So mine is 500 in total.
She's doing maths, bro.
Okay.
Paloma, give a one-liner about college.
That
Bro, it's I'm vlogging.
Censored version, please.
we love college. We love
No, like a
so sanskari.
honest,
So much we learn.
honest one. With
See, look. College, nice. Okay. People, nice. Faculty, bad. Okay. Teaching, bad. Okay.
But
still college, nice.
but we were in BMM, so we can't tell you about it.
See, BMM, okay. Okay, everyone say BMM bad. BMM not bad. Okay, BMM good.
Okay, those were so many lines now. Thank you.
Every year of college was shittier, was worse than the other.
Guys, say something nice
Okay?
too.
But I'm glad that I met your guys, so I have something to look forward to.
Yes, see, she's a sweetie.
Be positive.
She was a CR in the first year, but then she was like,
Then she
I
dropped out.
resigned, and then next to the next year.
What's up? What am I supposed to do?
One liner.
Oh, okay. One liner on?
College, your journey whatsoever.
Explicably unexplicable.
Bro literally used 2 words and just like wow.
The time Belinda was there?
Yeah, oh my god, I forgot about Belinda.
The time Concy was there? Absolute shit. I'm done.
I hope Konsi doesn't come to this vlog ever in her life.
Look guys, my ice cream right now is really good. Farewell was good. And what job you get doesn't depend on our college. Depends on you guys. Love.
Who's left? Nobody. I.
Yes, Ashka, give us one liner about college. Go for it.
There was no AC. Liners for college or your experience of what? I hate it. Yeah, everybody is saying that. Pat, say something nice.
I gave it to you.
Weird. College is weird. This college.
No, just me.
Abhishek, one liner for college. One liner for college.
One what?
One liner for college. I want to tell you all something. You know what? I'm giving here. My first day in college, like I was late, no? So I went to the staff office. There was Belinda sitting inside.
Of course, the G.
Yeah. She told me go meet Elaine. Yeah. So she told me go meet Elaine, and I was like, is she or a he? And then the next day when I came in the class and I knew you, but then I was talking to Ethan and I was like, are you a he or a she? No, she didn't. I did. I asked Ethan, I asked you, right? I asked you.
What?
What are your pronouns?
He, him.
Yeah, I asked.
He, Sigma.
Being made. We are going by local.
Let's go. Where do you stay? She looks like.
I look so pretty. I look nice. I know, but I got no pictures. Haha.
Oh shit, none of us got single.
Yeah, because we were dancing pehle and then it got dark and then we were getting shitty pictures then.
And time got over also.
Yeah. Why are we taking the bridge? We are not, right? Yeah, that's the best part about Bangalore station. While going back home, you don't have to like
Climb up. Yeah. Oh shit, yeah.
This might be the last video we'll make. No, don't make it sound so sad.
I'm glad we met each other.
Yes, I'm glad too. One day she's gonna take my interview.
When you get famous, remember me.
You will be more famous than me. Like, you know,
Bro is cabbage.
Paid like her.
Good.
She is
Good.
next in line.
What will you be? Samay Raina.
Yeah, bro will have enough money to fight court cases.
Ah, I see.
I'll be someone.
Someone.
Hopefully myself.
Yeah. But for me, like, she'll take my interview. What will
Love
you?
of your life.
Lisa just took a to the public.
It's your vlog.
What? No, I am not. This is just for the phone and the album. This
You
is.
don't wanna post anything.
I will. This part will not come.
Oh
Your-
yeah, for sure, for sure.
You-
But I'm in general, I'm so excited to see your vlog. Same.
Yes. You didn't even subscribe me.
I did.
You did?
YouTube.
Yeah. I told you. So how will you know?
On Instagram. You should
No,
post
no.
on
This
that.
is vlog. This is very long.
This will come in the vlog.
Yeah.
Okay, hi vlog.
Yeah.
Chat, hi chat. It's nice to meet you all.
Yeah.
I don't think you all can hear me.
They can.
I don't think you all can hear me.
Like, subscribe.
But Ashka is a great person.
Ashka
Subscriber.
is a great person. Subscribe right now. Otherwise, what the fuck are you doing with your life?
You wanna say something for me?
What are you doing? Subscribe.
Yeah. What are you doing
Like
here?
it. What are you doing? Go down.
Yeah.
Go down.
She's gonna end
Go
the
down.
video with this.
I will. Guys, I'm on my way home and I think that is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you wanted to hear this, it means a lot to me. Bye.
I love you all. दोस्तों, ना कोई मंजिल है, ना कोई साथी है। फिर भी निकल पड़ा हूं घर से। शायद जिसकी तलाश है, वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है। हे!
ओ जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना ओ जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना सनम
1, 2, 3.
Bye.
Bye. Saf.
Hi.